What if you could capture cinematic aerial footage without carrying a heavy drone? Meet the DJI Mini 4K, compact, powerful, and built for creators on the move. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this drone is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and everyday shooting. In many regions, it even avoids stricter drone regulations, meaning you can fly with fewer restrictions. But don't let the size fool you. The DJI Mini 4K delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD video, capturing sharp details and vibrant colors from the sky. Whether you're filming landscapes, city views, or personal content, the results look professional. And smooth footage? That's where the 3-axis gimbal stabilization comes in. It keeps your shots steady and cinematic, even in windy conditions. Speaking of wind, this drone is designed with strong wind resistance, giving you more confidence when flying outdoors. Another standout feature is its range. With up to 10 kilometers of video transmission, you can explore further while maintaining a clear and stable connection. You're not just flying, you're discovering new perspectives. Battery life is equally impressive. With up to 31 minutes of flight time, you have plenty of time to capture the perfect shot without constantly worrying about landing. And when it's time to return, the auto return to home feature ensures your drone safely comes back with a push of a button or when the battery runs low. Perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Control is intuitive and user-friendly. Even if you've never flown a drone before, you'll feel comfortable within minutes. The DJI app makes it easy to access smart features, adjust settings, and preview your shots in real time. The result? A lightweight drone that delivers powerful performance, smooth footage, and total freedom in the air. If you're looking for a portable, reliable, and high-quality drone, the DJI Mini 4K is one of the best options in its class. Check the link in the description to learn more and take your content to the next level.